windscreen banner time. I do not know whether to do it without the black. So what we've got a black windscreen sunstrip. Don't know whether to do it with the sunstrip or without. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down now, piece it up, and then decide. Obviously it'll have to stickers on. But if not, we're just going to do it without the sunstrip. That's what I'm mainly going to do. Get it central, so we've got to measure it. What else? Clean the windscreen. So clean the windscreen, measure it, get it central, lay it down. Easier said than done. Get this wrong, it's going to look stupid.
Alright!
That's only a body job to see what it does look like. Obviously I have to centralise it. I don't know if I like the banner the black sunstrip because someone from Mini Cooper decided to design it with auto headlights and auto wiper sensor. So get the banner low enough and it has to go straight over the window, like as in straight, but as it goes straight over the window, it doesn't curve with the window and it's annoying. So I might just literally just lay the sticker down. So I'm going to test that now and see if that looks better. But it's a lot easier to get it that way, and it'll be the sticker can sit a bit lower down instead of being all the way at the top, and it should be able to curve around with the window. I think we might have a winner. I prefer the way it looks like that. It looks like it's going to be easier to line, and as I was just taking the black banner off, it's cheap vinyl wrap, I think, so it's scratched the surface, so I don't want to be dealing with all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this measured up perfectly centre, and then we're going to go from there. Well, it's the best we're going to get it. It's 24.5 centimetres either side, 2 centimetres all the way around the top. So what we had to do was we had to cut little lines in here to get it to sit flush all the way around. Once we've done that, that's fine. We put the glass, all good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to send it. We did it! Now you get it all perfectly aligned. I think it looks good, but I'm not 100% on it yet. It might grow on me, it might not. It depends how it looks with the splitter and the side skirts and obviously all the little extras, bits and bobs going around the car. I'm not too sure, like I say, if I like it, but hey ho, let's see. For the sake of a tenner, it might be worth it. If not, we can scrap the big one off, but the main one I did want was the 2 little stickers with the same blue S as that one. So yeah, I think that's a job well done. What we'll do is we'll install the little ones the same time I install like my other tiny little stickers that go in on the side window of the car. But yeah, good job. Easy to do. Hardest part was measuring it and getting it all lined up. But now that's all done, happy. Yeah, that's all we can say really. Guys, hope you liked the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot. Hopefully, like I was saying in the other video today, hopefully we can reach 100 subscribers by Christmas time. And if we can, that would be absolutely fantastic. And if we do, I'll actually do a giveaway for it. So I'll get some bits and bobs, get some products, and then we'll do a giveaway if we can get to 100 subscribers by Christmas time, or maybe the new year, depends. But a week does matter in YouTube sort of terms. So yeah, anyway, thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.